This is what you see out here in this deep country. This is the type of stuff you see. You're out here rolling deep country. You see all kinds of stuff like this here. Nice big fields. That's what you see when you're out here rolling. Old country dirt road. Nothing like an old country dirt road, y'all. These roads be taking you someplace too. See all that farm equipment out there? That's some high dollar stuff. Then you got all the cornfields over there. See them big old silos over there holding all that feed? This is what I see out here in the South. Yes, this is the kind of stuff I see. See these big old feeders out here? It's the kind of stuff you see back here in this country. Going down this old dirt road. Acres and acres and acres and acres and acres of corn. As far as the eye can see. They got a nice irrigation setup out here. Look how far that irrigation setup go down there. It's to water all this corn. It's watered just like this. Absolutely beautiful. Now it looks like they're gonna have a good crop this year. All this country equipment, all this big machinery out here. That's what I see when I'm out here riding all this big equipment. All this machinery. Like John Deere, a lot of it is John Deere. Old tractors. Lots of John Deere stuff. That's a big piece of farm equipment. Yeah, so that's the end of my dirt road tour. So if y'all enjoyed this video, please hit like, comment, and subscribe.